Hi, this is Jessica. In this demo, I'm simulating a first-time learner who wants to understand the difference between Impressionism and Post-Impressionism through visual clues. On the homepage, the user can quickly see the goal of the lesson, learning how to classify artworks by looking at light, brushwork, emotion, and structure and subject matter. I will start the lesson, and just like a new user who has no previous art history background but wants to a gateway to compare the two movements. On the learning screen, the artwork stays visually central while the side panel explains the key clue. And the user should notice. And the highlighted regions get the user's attention, so they are not just reading definitions, they are learning where to look in the image. Here I select a Q. So this makes the learning step more active and helps the system record what visual clue the user is paying attention to. And as I continue through the learning flow, each screen introduces one visual distinction, such as fleeting light, modern life, and emotional intensity, or more structured composition. So after the lesson, the user is ready to apply these rules to new artworks instead of simply memorizing artist names or labels. And now I move into a quiz section where the user has to classify unfamiliar artwork using the visual reasoning they just practiced. So for this question, I look at the outdoor light and loose brushwork and everyday scene. Based on those clues, I choose impressionism. The quiz keeps the image large and the choice simple, so the user can focus on observation and decision making. So for this artwork, the strong emotional tone and more subjective structure suggest post impressionism. So I choose this answer. After answering the question, I go to the result page, and the result page shows the score immediately here. But it also gives explanation, which is important because the goal is learning, not just the grading. So here is a feedback. So for each question, the feedback explains why the answer fits, so the user can connect the final result back to the visual cues from the lesson. So overall, The user simulation shows the full learning loop. The user starts with a get instruction, practice identifying visual clues, apply them to a quiz, and then reviews feedback to strengthen their understanding. So this is my individual narrated user simulation demo using our shared project codebase. My focus was showing how a first-time user moves through the learning and quiz experience from start to finish. That's it.